Hey, it's me, Cookie Glue, back from the dead, and let's go through the features in the Beehive. Start with the entrance, right, where everything is going to happen. So right here, there's going to be all these swap-a-doo things. You can swipe them up, and you can screw them in so they'll stay up, or you can, like, put a stick, or you can rely on luck, but I wouldn't rely on that because they can easily just fall down. Anyway, that's that. This thing, which is just a bee and a lotus flower, you got two entrances. You got two entrances that I screwed up. And then if we go around the back, we can see that there's a Cassini thing and a Saturn. And I'll explain what Cassini is in a minute. Inside here, this is our roof. So the roof, I'm going to have to take off and cut because it's hard to take off. So now that I've lifted that off, we can see the interior of a hive. So, right here you can put stuff on to just store beekeeping equipment inside that roof. And then what you can do, you can take off these compartments. This one is big because I ran out of wood. And access a little bit of the hive at a time. And I have these wired mesh foundations, which I did a horrible job making. But basically, I have these frames. And say I just want to, like, go to 6 and 8. Why 7 messed up? That's going to really get some people angry. And it makes me mad too, but I'm sorry. So let's say we got to go to 6 and 8, right? Just screw 7. And so then we can access these frames and be like, hey, these are bad. These aren't straight. Now they're straight. Good. Boom. Now after accessing 6 and 7, I just access this little area, right? Only that area. And the bees over here weren't as pissed, and the bees over here weren't as pissed. Of course, they still smelled the alarm pheromone where it kind of got pissed. But, like, they couldn't yeet up at me and kill me. So, yeah. Now that I'm done making my super elite beehive to flex to other beekeepers, what am I going to do with it? Well, this hive, it's pretty strong and is going to swarm pretty soon if I don't do anything. However, I can take half the frames and put them in there in order to split the hive. When can you see the video of me splitting the hive? Well, I don't know, because my upload schedule is more irregular than the gap between PewDiePie and T-Series. Subscribe to PewDiePie, by the way. So, that's about it, and thank you all for watching, and goodbye. While watching the montage, you guys are probably like, yo, what's Cassini? So basically, Cassini is this space probe that ended up visiting Saturn and launched this probe called Huygens. I don't know really how to pronounce it. But basically, it launched it onto Saturn's moon, one of Saturn's moons, Titan, which is my favorite moon in the solar system. So, I decided to name the hive after that just because I think it's pretty cool.